What's up fellas, this is Daddy's Gang and today I'll be teaching you how to download Internet Download Manager and install it and register it for a lifetime. So first of all, you need to open a torrent website. I've chosen Extra Torrent. You can choose any one which provides a large number of torrents. So when it's open, search there Internet Download Manager. Hit search. And as you can see, it provides a number of files regarding Internet Download Manager. So choose any one according to you, which version you want to download, and it's a version including IDM. Now click on download torrent. Now open the file and you can see the downloading is started. Now force restart it if we want the downloading to get started very fast. And wait for a while for the downloading to get done. Now as you can see, the downloading is almost finished. Now wait for it to get done 100%. Now it has been downloaded. Now go to downloads and here it is extracted. It's a zip file. Now install the setup. And agree. Next. And as you can see, the installing has started. Now click on finish. Now close the instructions, you don't need them. If you want, then you can read them. Now for the registration purpose, you need to open this patch. It provides lifetime registration. And before opening the patch, do remember to close IDM. Now finish. Next, install. Yes, and then finish. Now this is the patch and that's all. Thanks for watching. This is Daddy's Gang, and like the video, share the video, and do subscribe to Daddy's Gang.